This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable location service in the openSUSE operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable location services, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to my little system tray area. I'm going to click in there. Then I'm going to go down to that little gear wheel there, and I'm going to click on that gear wheel. That will open up Settings. Now on the page that opens up here, the panel off to the left hand side, you want to scroll all the way down toward the bottom where you see it says Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security. Then in the center, under System, you'll see Location right here. Click on Location. Right up top here, by default, it's probably turned off. Automatic device location. As you can see, mine is turned off. To enable it, you would toggle it on. To disable it, toggle it off. That is how to enable or disable location services in the openSUSE operating system. Thanks for watching.